Alright, look, if your money is working harder at Target than it does in your bank account, this video is for you. Because most of us out here are hustling, but our money is somewhere chilling on vacation, feet up, not doing a damn thing. Today we're fixing that. I'm going to break down the real ways to make your money work for you, straight from research and real life common sense. 1. Put your money somewhere it can grow. First off, if your money is sitting in a regular checking account earning 0.0001% interest, you might as well hide it under your mattress. High yield savings accounts, cash management accounts, brokerage accounts, those actually pay you. And historically, the stock market has returned around 10% a year long term, way better than traditional savings. Not financial advice, but leaving all your money in a basic account is like parking your car and never turning on the engine. 2. Give your money time. Your money needs time to cook. This ain't instant ramen. Compound interest is when your money makes money, and then that money makes more money, but only if you leave it alone. Research even shows that people who panic and pull out early miss the biggest growth days. Missing just the 5 best market days since 1980 could cost you up to 37% of your returns. Yeah, 37. That's crazy. The game isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Don't let volatility punk you. When the market dips, everybody suddenly turns into Chicken Little. Oh no, the sky is falling. Let me sell everything. Relax. Historically, bull markets last way longer than bear markets, about 42 months up versus 19 months down. And even during recessions, markets have still grown about 1% a year on average. Volatility is normal. Leaving every time the market wiggles, that's what hurts you. 4. Stop letting taxes steal your bag. Your investment strategy affects your taxes way more than you think. Capital gains tax? Yeah, Uncle Sam wants a piece. But you've got strategies. Tax loss harvesting. Sounds like a Hogwarts spell, but it's literally selling a losing investment to offset a winning one. Roth IRA withdrawals are tax-free. HSAs have triple tax advantage. Municipal bonds are usually federal tax-free. Where you put your money matters just as much as what you invest in. 5. Actually set money aside for investing. Bruh, you can't invest money that doesn't exist. That's witchcraft. You need to purposely set cash aside. Automate it. Your 401k, your HSA, auto transfer from checking to investing. If the money never hits your hands, you can't blow it at Wingstop or Amazon. 6. Rebalance and diversify. This is the grown man part of investing. If your plan was 70% stocks and 30% bonds, and now the market did gymnastics and you're sitting at 90-10, you gotta rebalance. And diversification? That's just not putting all your eggs in one basket, because baskets break, especially right before rent. 7. When getting a new job, look at the whole package. Salary is cool, but benefits? That's where they hide the good stuff. Employer 401k match, HSA contributions, tuition help, disability insurance, RSUS. This is real money. Money that grows your investments quicker without touching your paycheck. Don't sleep on that. Calculate the cost of leaving a job. Some benefits only vest after a certain amount of time, meaning you got to stay long enough to actually keep that match or those stock grants. Before you quit because your manager breathes too loud, run the numbers. You might be leaving thousands behind. 9. Never forget old accounts. Fam, people leave behind $1.7 trillion in retirement savings every year when changing jobs. Trillion with a T. Check for old 401ks, old IRAs, unused HSAs, unclaimed money. The National Association of Unclaimed Property says Americans got back $4.5 billion in 1 year alone. That might be you. Go claim your bag. Making your money work for you is not magic. It's habits. If you want more real, simple money talk, hit that subscribe button, because this is the stuff we were never taught but always needed.